Welcome and thank you for joining. Today we will be upcycling a picture frame into a framed corkboard. Your kit will include the following: a recycled picture frame, a panel of corkboard, a panel of recycled cardboard, clothespins, push tacks, and a motivational card. Strings of twine, crafting glue, and other items needed but not included in the kit are scissors and a pen. So we're first going to start off by attempting to size our cork to the correct size of the frame. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and pull out the back panel of the frame that holds it together. I'm going to go ahead and place that right along the cork and grab that pen and go ahead and trace an outline so I can know where to go ahead and cut the cork. And now that I have that cork outlined, I can go ahead and grab my scissors and start cutting along the line that was drawn. Try and keep it as close as possible to the line because this is going to be the size of the frame, so we'll have to fit in almost perfectly. And I have now completed sizing my corkboard as well as my cardboard. The cardboard is going to act as a backing to help out. Now I'm just going to go ahead and size it up, line it up, make sure everything looks right to size. Looks like that's great. Now I'm going to go ahead and slide in my corkboard first. So it's a little bit easier to do just because it's a little more flexible, so don't be scared to bend it and make sure that it fits right in there. Remember, everyone's picture frame is different since it is recycled, so you might have to slide it, you might have to tuck it in. Now I am going through with the cardboard to put the backing on there. And I have my back panel, which I have to squeeze in now to get right in there. And looks like everything fits perfect. And now we can begin to decorate our framed corkboard. First, we're going to grab our string of twine that we have and then size it correctly to our picture frame. Cut it out with those scissors and try and match it up right there. We have our crafting glue. You're going to go ahead and put a couple dots at each end of the frame. And then grab that string and just lightly dab the string onto the glob of glue, and then go ahead and add some more glue on top. Let the glue sit for at least about 2 hours. Now that we've added our string of twine, we're ready to start decorating our corkboard with more personal items. First in everyone's kit is a motivational quote card. Mine reads, "It is hard to fail, but it is worse to never have tried to succeed." Next, a couple of items that I'm going to be adding to my board is my Placentia library card, a photo of my best friend and I, a ticket to my first music festival, a keychain from a trip to Hawaii, my tassel from my graduating class of 2015, and a city pass from my trip to New York City. So now I'm going to go ahead and begin to decorate my framed corkboard. Remember, you're going to have your own items and you're going to decorate it the way you want, but this is the way I did it. Feel free to be creative, feel free to add more stuff, add colors. I did go ahead and add those cute little colored clothespins that were included in the kit. And I'm just going to go ahead and finish off adding my own little touches to my frame. And here is our final product. I hope you had fun making your own DIY framed corkboard, and thank you for watching.